Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your account public on Threads by Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Threads app and logging into your account. Now tap your profile icon from the bottom menu. On your profile page, tap Edit Profile. The last option here in your profile settings is to disable the private profile toggle. Tap the toggle to turn it off, and then select Done from the top right. It will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap OK to continue. Your Threads profile is now public. Anyone will be able to see and interact with your content. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.